So, your organization runs on SAP. You've already made a huge investment in one of the best systems on the planet. But here's the real question. Are you getting every last drop of value out of the data locked inside it? Today, we're going to tackle that head on. We'll explore how to pick the right analytics engine to not just look at your business, but to actually drive it forward. And this isn't just a tech question, it's a huge strategic one. Think about it. Everything, from your manufacturing floor to your finance department to the C-suite, it all runs on SAP. The data flowing through those systems is your absolute gold. So the question becomes, how do you spin that gold into a real competitive advantage? All right, let's start with the one you're probably already thinking about, Microsoft's Power BI. And I want to be crystal clear right from the start. It's a fantastic tool. It's a market leader for some very, very good reasons.
I mean, you can't deny Power BI's strengths. It's like the Swiss Army knife of analytics, right? It connects to pretty much anything you can throw at it. The data modeling is incredibly flexible, letting you mash up different sources like a pro. For a new user, it's actually pretty easy to get going. And with that massive user community and its tight integration with Office 365, it's a really compelling choice.
Okay, so Power BI is an amazing general purpose tool, no doubt about it. But, and this is the big but for your business, is the best general tool the optimal tool for your very specific SAP-powered world? This is where the conversation gets really interesting. And that brings us to SAP Analytics Cloud, or SAC. Now, the best way to think about SAC isn't as just another competitor to Power BI. It's better to think of it as a native extension of the SAP systems you already own. It was literally born and raised in the SAP ecosystem. This right here is probably the most important point we'll talk about. The data sitting in your SAP system isn't just a bunch of numbers and columns. It's this rich, living thing, full of business logic, financial hierarchies, security rules, all the stuff you've spent years carefully building. If you pull the data out, you lose all that context. It's like trying to read a great novel with every other page ripped out. You get some of the words, but you completely lose the story. So, how does SAC keep that story intact? Well, it has a superpower, the live data connection. Here's the analogy. Instead of photocopying a book, taking it somewhere else, and hoping your copy is still accurate tomorrow, SAC gives you a special key to the library. You get to read the original book, right where it sits, in real time. No copies, no stale data, ever. And that is a huge deal, because you're analyzing the data in place. You're not creating copies, which means no duplication errors. All that complex business logic you built is perfectly preserved. And maybe the best part? It instantly inherits all the security and authorizations you've already set up in SAP. You don't have to rebuild any of it. It just works. Your data is always live, and those critical hierarchies are understood right out of the box. Okay, I know a new tool can seem daunting, but here's the good news. All the skills your team has with Power BI, they are totally transferable. Think of this as your Rosetta Stone. What you call a report in Power BI, well, in SAC, it's a story, which is even cooler because it can mix dashboards with interactive planning grids. A data set becomes a model, but one that's built to handle planning in different versions. All those powerful DAX measures you've written, they translate right over to calculated measures, but now with awesome planning functions built in. And that row-level security you worked so hard on? In SAC, it's just authorization. And like we said, it's inherited live. You are not starting over from scratch, you're leveling up. Now, this is where SAC really starts to shift into a whole other gear. We've been talking about understanding what happened in the past, but what about actually shaping the future? This is where we go from just reacting to what the data says to proactively planning our next move. And this is the fundamental fork in the road. Power BI is a brilliant read-only tool. It's designed to answer the question, what happened? It's all about visualizing the past. SAC, however, is read-write. It's built from the ground up to ask, what if? It lets you actively input data, run simulations, and plan your future, all in the same environment. Let's make this real. Think about your yearly budget process. In SAC, you start by looking at your actual performance, pulled live from SAP. Then, your team can type their forecasts right into the dashboard. No more messy spreadsheets. You can set a top-down target, say for the whole year, and let SAC automatically spread it across months based on past trends. And then the fun part, you can simulate scenarios. What happens to our bottom line if material costs go up 5%? And boom, you see the impact instantly. And that's really the magic of SAP Analytics Cloud. It's not just a BI tool. It's not just a planning tool. It's a single, unified platform that brings together business intelligence, enterprise planning, and even predictive analytics. You're not jumping between 3 different systems anymore. It's all right there. And woven into this entire platform is some seriously powerful AI. You can literally just type a question in plain English, like, show me revenue by region, and SAC builds the chart for you. Its smart discovery can dig through your data and automatically tell you, hey, these are the top 3 things driving your sales. You can even generate machine learning-based forecasts with just a couple of clicks. It's a complete game changer. So let's pull all of this together. You can see now why this isn't just about picking a piece of software. It's a real strategic choice about how you want to align your analytics with the very core of your business. This quote just nails it. It perfectly captures what SAC is all about. It's about creating a closed loop for decision-making. You look at the past, you use smart tools to predict the future, and then, most importantly, you plan how to make that future a reality, all in one place. So here it is, the final side-by-side. Look, if your data is spread all over the place and SAP is just one piece of the puzzle, Power BI is an absolutely fantastic choice. But if the center of your universe, your data gravity, is inside SAP, then SAC becomes the obvious strategic choice. Its core strength is that seamless live connection, and its killer feature is that it unifies BI, planning, and predictive into one single platform. One is a great generalist tool. The other is the native strategic choice for an SAP-powered enterprise. And that really leaves us with one final thing to think about. As you weigh your options, just ask yourself this. Do you want a tool that's just really good at telling you where you've been? Or do you want a platform that will actually help you decide and build where you're going next? The answer to that question will shape the future of your business.